Please. Have a seat.
I know you're busy. Take a shot. I checked Box, and he wasn't there. And I thought I'd go up to the penthouse to check, but I went up there to check on him, and all of his furniture was covered in sheets, and he had run off to Vegas. Of course, that's when we were getting together, which we totally are not anymore, nor will we. But, you know, it's my birthday.
Get a couch. I know. And I understand. Birthdays can be emotional.
I guess. No, I'm good. I'm good. He's probably just in the penthouse, passed out or something. Emphasis on something.
How about I go with you?
Please.
Seems Candy dodged the bullet, quite literally.
Shotgun blast anyway.
Yes, so we need to find this killer before he or she realizes their mistake.
Detective Nosy in there could get DNA back on that body within 24 hours. So, we gotta find a lead, stat.
Right.
Okay, so you were married to Candy for a week.
2 weeks.
I mean, any idea who would want her dead?
Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I give. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever. When you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight.
Psychic bartender, my favorite.
Who is she? Not the one singing, the reason you're drinking.
Not who I thought she was. It's not her fault then. Never is. Everyone's reading my mind today.
When you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight.